So right now, leaving Gold Room, headed to Vanquish. It's like a 3 blocks away, so instead of like lifting there, which I thought I was gonna do, I'm just gonna walk because it's not so bad outside. It looks worse than it feels. I'm gonna show y'all. There's a lot of snow out here. A couple inches of snow, but it's not like super cold. I haven't worked at Vanquish in a few weeks, so it'll be cool to see everybody. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Snow. A whole lot of snow. But it's actually not that cold, which is crazy. You get like acclimated after a while. Like a few days of it being negative or in the single digits or the teens, then shit, when it gets like 20, it feels like 50. Gonna hop this fence. I don't feel like walking around because there's some young niggas over there. I don't got a weapon or security. I usually play it safer than that, but I'm kind of good in the hood. I'm crossing a light rail, so I'm gonna walk a little fast.
What's up, Denise?
What's up? You finna be on my vlog if you get any closer.
Are you live?
Say hi.
Where you going?
I'm going to Vanquish.
Okay. Looking good, looking good.
Man, I'm looking like I've been working all day.
Can I get a cup of coffee?
Anytime.
No, I'm just messing with you. I'm talking about years ago.
Come see me at Denny's. I work at Denny's in the morning. I'll be there tomorrow from 9 to 3.
Where?
In St. Paul, Denny's.
Okay.
I had to turn it off for a second because I was walking past some music and I don't need that music in my video. All right, I'm about a block away now. Look at this shit, man. Look at this fucking snow. My goodness. It's the worst. Downtown Minneapolis. The polices. I know Minneapolis PD gets a bad rap, but I really like the downtown PD. They do a good job. You look cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right, we're going to Chicago next time G Herbo perform.
They ready to see G Herbo. Look at this line. Line stretched down to another venue. Hey, baby. You want to say hi to my vlog?
Hey, Big Timmy on the beat.
Yeah, I'm working because they said they needed it, but this is chaos.
This is too much.
It's a lot of shit going on. Let me hurry up and get in here.
That's
Is
mini
that mini
snack.
pipe? Mini pipe! Mini pipe!
Yeah, damn. Listen. Hey, hi, baby.
Stop fucking playing with us.
Say hi to my vlog, gang.
Hey, vlog! All in here.
All in this thing. This is a mob.
Why was you putting
It's after 2 o'clock.
It is?
Bro, it's 2:10. What the fuck is you talking about? It's 2:10.
Stage earlier, I got you.
Overly went on stage, all in for the win. Sold out, all the way sold out. All the way sold out. We did not sell out a bar, we sold out a venue. Let's do it.
Hey, vlog. Hey, this vlog.
Hey, what up, though, man? We in Vanquish with it, you know what I'm saying? G Herbo came through and rocked it out. Shout out to this lady, she can be in the building, you know what I'm saying? All thanks to her. Go make sure y'all subscribe to our YouTubes. Check her out, she got a lot of live content.
Hey, I just checked you out. You got 10K views on that video.
Yeah, that's a good day. They all love it too. Minnesota, that's their favorite song up here.
You're gonna get monetized. 30
Yeah,
days.
they gotta go love it too. We got some more songs coming out. And y'all, if y'all know, I'm the real coochie man, so I make real coochie music. You feel me? Tap in.
Look at you. Hold up. That's fly as hell. Yes.
Amen, say man. If you know with him, you not smoking gas, man.
Say whatever you want. Just know what's going on YouTube.
Okay, I got tested, everything came back negative. Number one, start off there. It was a good night. Everybody came through, had a blast, and we're gonna be back at it again. Come on now.
Oh my God. Good night, Kwame.